Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing the SESA Mud Hair Spa Kit, which is a 3-step therapy for silky, shiny and healthier hair, ideal for unisex hair. So men and women, both of them can use. So I recently tried it, which is a single use kit, and I also liked it, so I thought I would give you my thoughts on this particular product. And yeah, and also at the end of this video there is gonna be a giveaway and there will be 3 winners. So I will talk more about it at the end of this video, and if you would want to participate, I think you have to watch this entire video so that it is helpful for you to participate in the giveaway as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started with the review. Starting off with the pricing, this one retails for 99 rupees and this comes with 3 sachets inside it. First step that you have to do is the SESA Ayurvedic shampoo. You get 10 ml of the shampoo, and that is more than enough for one use. I think more than enough. You can have 2 washes also. I used it for my entire hair, so this is the length of my hair if you are interested. So I think I used the entire shampoo thinking that it wouldn't be enough, but it was more than enough. I sort of wasted a little bit of the shampoo. The shampoo smells really nice. That is not overpowering, but also I wouldn't say that's of the good perfumed smell. That is like very similar perfume that you would have come across, but I am really not sure with what the perfume was like. Yeah, if that makes sense. So that's about the shampoo. Once after the shampoo is done, I think you can do this in your shower itself. That's how I did. Basically because I did not have a clipping of how I applied the mask, because I did it in the shower itself. So I recommend you guys also to use it in the shower itself so that it's easy for you to, finish off your spa just like that. I think that's how it's easier also. So yeah, once after my shampooing is done, I took the mask. So that's the second step. So what you have to do is apply the mask not on your scalp but on your strands of the hair so that it applies equally. Massage it, so when you apply it itself, it starts lathering up. So that's how the pack is, and you sort of get the muddy effect in the mask. Very obvious, I know. And also what I wanted to tell is, like, this doesn't stay like a mask, okay? So this lathers up so that you can, like, give a nice massage to your strands but not your head. But I sort of did it, like, I did not have much on my scalp, but I started like giving a quick massage so that it feels nicer. So that's the second step, and the third step is the hair serum. So I thought, being a mud hair spa kit, this could be like little bit drying, but trust me, this wasn't drying at all. The mask also wasn't drying, the shampoo was also not drying, both of it. See, what I was about to say is, the shampoo and the mask, once after I applied it, felt really nourishing, but I did not, like, know that it already says that it is a nourishing thing. So it's obviously very nourishing. Once this is the hair serum, I sort of have it. It comes with a 2 sachet of the mask, so it's easier for you to, I think you can use it 2 times, or if you are sharing with your partner, I think that will be perfect. So the serum is also more than enough if your hair length is mine, like mine, if you get it. So this is the sachet, and the hair serum also has a very familiar perfume of fragrance to it, which I am totally not getting the perfume or the fragrance, but it is very familiar. All 3 has a very familiar fragrance, if you are wondering. And this hair serum is definitely, like, like the Live-On one. If you have tried the Live-On one, you know how this would be, okay? The same silky effect, and sort of like very similar to the Live-On one that you would use. Overall thoughts about this particular hair kit: I highly recommend you guys, give it a shot, because this one retails only for 99 rupees and it's perfect for unisex, and you definitely can use it twice. And if not, if you can, share it with your partner. And also, saying it a mud, it's like really good to have once in a while, a mud hair spa, rather than spending a lot of money in the salon. I think this is a best option, or a better option, of course. And this definitely is not very drying. If you have like hair, color treated hair, you definitely can try this out, because this sort of gives a nice nourishment to your strands. That's how my hair felt once I used it, so I really liked using this one, and highly recommend, not like that highly, but I definitely recommend you guys to try this one, because this is worth the money. Okay, so now talking about the fun part of this video, which is obviously the giveaway. So there's going to be 3 winners in this giveaway, and each one of you will get one SESA mud hair spa kit. This is definitely not sponsored. I really liked it, and I thought 3 of my subscribers can definitely try this out, so that's the reason I'm giving away 3 people this one. The giveaway rules are really very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, invite your friends to this channel, and tell me, like, what sort of videos you would want to see in this channel. That would really help me create more good content as well. So, and if you're interested in this makeup look, that will be available on my channel as well. I'll link it below. So that's it for today's video. I will see you guys with another one. Till then, take care. Bye.